In the case of Erik and Lyle Menendez, serving lifetime prison sentences for the 1989 murders of their parents. But last night, surprise developments, they were resentenced. They could, in fact, end up being eligible for parole as early as next month.
It was a dramatic day yesterday, culminating with Erik and Lyle Menendez via a video link from their prison wearing the blue prison garb, basically acknowledging what they did in the 1980s, killing their parents, tearfully expressing their remorse, apologizing to their family for putting them through all this, and essentially putting their future in the hands of the judge. The judge yesterday said he was going to resentence them to 50 years to life. Their previous sentence, initially from the trial in 1996, was life in prison without the possibility of parole. By changing the sentence to 50 years to life, they are now eligible for parole.
I want to do a hat tip to Judge Jessic, who was able to cancel out all the noise surrounding this, all of the grandstanding, all of the political back and forth. And he did what the code section said he should do. He did what justice said should happen.
He was actually hoping for a reduced crime assessment. He wanted the murder charge reduced to manslaughter. That would have made the Menendez brothers eligible for immediate release, but they got pretty much the best they hoped, 50 years to life. Many of the family members on both sides of the family, including some siblings of the parents, testified over the years that they wanted the brothers released, focusing a lot on the sexual abuse that Jose Menendez, the father of the brothers, forced them to endure.
Thank you so much. You have brought hope to this family that we didn't see coming. There is an entire legal team, but ultimately we are here today with this result because of Erik and Lyle. They chose to live their lives with clarity and a purpose of service that the judge was impressed by.
Even if the parole board decides to recommend their release, it's still in the hands of Gavin Newsom, the California governor. He has the ability to accept the recommendation or reject it. And let's bring politics into this a bit. 2028, Gavin Newsom is a possible presidential candidate. Does he want to be the one who is talked about as releasing the Menendez brothers? He has scheduled this clemency hearing for mid-June, where they will appear before the parole board, make their statements. That could be very emotional too. It's not going to be necessarily unanimous. There will be people who will testify before the parole board that the brothers should not be released, possibly some members of the district attorney's office. So it's not going to be all unanimous. There may be some opposition as well.